Hey guys, I'm so glad you're here. This time around we're popping up our main floor interior walls and closing her in with a roof. As you can tell, the weather did not cooperate with us, so our camera quality suffered and a few key parts of the build we had to opt out of filming, unfortunately. We did keep going full send even behind the scenes because the forecast did not look good for the next little while, and we wanted to make sure we kept our house dry and our subfloor only saw minimal rain days. We went for a very open concept layout, so we didn't have too many walls to pop up. James did start out by building the master wing wall and then separated the ensuite and the bedroom. We also chose to have a walk-in closet in the ensuite, and it actually turned out really well flow-wise. After he was done with the master wing side, he then went ahead and framed in the guest bathroom / laundry room, and then the secret is out now, but we're doing a secret walk-in pantry, so then he finished framing that up as well, and I'm so excited to see how that turns out. That's it for the main floor walls. Like I said, not many, and now we're on to the roof. James and I started out by hand throwing up the trusses, but after a couple we had to stop because we couldn't lift them alone anymore, so we brought in a machine and some strong folks to help us out. This will be the part when most of the footage cuts out, unfortunately. However, after the trusses were put up, James went in and stick framed the rest of the roof. He also did sheet the cathedral part first before he stick framed another roof on top, just because we wanted some backing when it came time to insulate. And then he went in and sheeted the rest of the roof and waterproofed it all.